Oh my gosh. We're here for another video and it's not the usual video. Let's just do unboxing, no? Actually, wait lang. Ito pa siya. Here it is. This one. So, we're gonna unbox. Ay. This one. So, guys, alam niyo naman na punta ang Twice dito, diba? Meron silang fan meet in collaboration with Oishi. And yes, I did buy some bags. Well, actually, 4 ko naman siya. Pwede siyang bilhin sa supermarket, sa mga ganun. Pero ako, I got this from Shopee. So, inabangan ko talaga siya kasi alam ko na madali siyang sold out. Maraming kuha kasi this one has the raffle kung saan pwede kang manalo. May chance kang manalo to get a ticket. Hindi ako masyadong familiar actually dun sa mismong mechanics ng raffle. Maybe I'll just put somewhere in my social media page. But here it is. I got 4 bags, guys. So, yung bag is actually 1 bag. Hindi ko alam mo mismo yung tawag. Ito mo wala talagang alam nila. So, binili ko lang siya. Yung bag is parang 300 pesos. And you'll get a photo card, random photo card. Magkakaroon ka ng 10 na Oishi products. Tapos, random din ata. Hindi ko alam kung meron talaga. Kung given talaga yung tawag dito, poster or anong tawag doon, or random lang din siya. Ay, hindi random eh. Parang, kumbaga, chance, parang ganun. Hindi ako sure. Pero, we're gonna open it. Tingnan natin kung makuha natin yung photo card. Okay. Here it is. Ta-da! Meron tayong gusto yung babuksan natin lahat. I guess what it looks like. Siguro I'll just open 2. Tapos, maybe I'll just the others to open. The other 2. Nakalagay naman dito, guys. Ako naka-front cam ako. So, hindi. Pag pinasa siya baliktad, ako na lang magbabasa para sa inyo. Nakalagay is, get a chance to win 2 tickets to the Twice collab with Oishi Snaptacular Fun Meet. Oh my gosh. Saan manalo tayo? And then, from this bag, you'll get a promo card. And then, of course, yung scratch off na paper. Or, I don't know kung ang tawag doon. Basta, yung ini-scratch siya. Okay, let's open this one. Oh my god, ang dami kong snacks here. It's like snacking. OMG. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Oh my god. Kasi bakit wala akong gunting? Oh my god, ang pangit ng pagkaka-open natin. Galit na galit. Right, so we have Oishi na prawn crackers. This is in spicy flavor and this is what I like. Yung di ba dalawa to? Yung original siya spicy. So, pinakain ko tong spicy na to. We also have potato fries. That's 2. Kilos! Chocolate. Mas gusto ko ito kaysa sa ube. And we have ube. But definitely not for me. We have this Migos. It's a sweet corn flavor tortillas. And I haven't tried this one. I have another kilo with an S. Yeah, this one is the original. No, it's sweet and extra spicy, guys. Meron na palang ganito? Hindi ko aware. Ito ba yun? Hindi yung original, diba? Tama, hindi ito original. Meron palang ganito talaga, no? Hindi ko pa natitikman yan. We have another Kilos even. And Migos. May flavor pala to. Saan na yun? Yeah, this is sweet corn. This one is nacho cheese na flavor. We have the potato fries, which iba din pala ito flavor. This one is cheese flavor, and this one is plain salted. Siguro mas bet ko yung plain salted. I guess this is it. Tama ba? Guys, this is it, right? Pero it's big. Maybe mamaya I'll open it. Let's check kung ano yung... maybe this is the poster. Tama ba? Yeah, let's open. Let's open. Don't like. Ayoko na pagkaka-open ko ang pangit. Oh. Ayan. So, we have a poster here. That's nice. Yeah. So, you're gonna get 10 snacks and then one poster and then one photo card and then the scratch card. Scratch card. This is the scratch card, guys. Ayan. So, this is it. This is the scratch card. Then, we have here the special edition na photo card. Twice. Oh my god. I think I really need scissors. Wait lang. I'll be back. Okay. Ang kalat na to ba, you know? But yeah, hindi ko maayos yung upo, you know? So, we're gonna check what we got. Kumuha talaga ako ng scissors kasi ayoko siyang siraan. Ayoko siyang tawag dito. Ayoko siyang isugal. Mamaya masira ako, diba? Ingat na ingat kasi, ano. Ayan. I think I got it na. We have... Wait, ayusin natin yung bag. So, ito na talaga. Ito na talaga, guys. Ayusin ko para sa inyo. We have... Tada! Oh! It's Nayon! Ayan. So, yun yung first natin na photo card. Balik natin siya. Let's open another one. Here's another bag. Teka, ang init. Nainitan ako. Kasi naman ako naka-jacket eh. Okay. So, we have, again, Oishi na spicy. Sa tingin ko, pare-pareha lang yung makukuha nyo dito, guys. Yung, parang tigda-dalawa, no? As far as I know. Parang yung nabasa ko, tigda-dalawa. Then, we have, mamadali na natin para yung sayang oras, no? 2 kilos. 2 kilos na ube. That one is, the other one is chocolate. Mamadali na naman. Then, we have 2 potato fries. Okay, get. Gets ko na siya. Okay. Yung 2 Migos, and then, sweet and extra hot spicy. Guys, let me know, ito ba talaga yung isang flavor? Wala na ba talaga ibang flavor? Ito lang ba talaga yun? Dalawa lang? Wala bang parang original flavor? Kasi ito lang yung natikman ko, or ito yung original. I'm not sure. Let me know. Then, we have here this one. Okay, so, you either get, what do you call this? This poster or this, what is this? Anong tawag dito, guys? ID something? Alam niyo, titignan ko na lang talaga. Ayun na naman tayo eh. The very handy cellphone. You'll either get a card sleeve or poster. Card sleeve, yeah. Tama. Okay. Again. Again you're gonna get 10 snacks and then a random photo card, the scratch card for the raffle, and then either a card holder or a poster. And then we have here, of course, the scratch card and this PC. It's like naka-embossed. Even the even yung Oishi, naka-embossed siya. And the name. Tingnan natin yung kay Nayon. Where is it? Kapag nag-video ko, guys, grabing laging mahaba, no? So, this one. Yan. So, ito yung kay Nayon. Yeah, I still have 2 more bags here. For sure, mahaba na yung video ko, so I'm not gonna film na this. Maybe I'll just leave this for my cousins, or I don't know, kay Elise siya mag-open. Baka mas maswerte siya kasi sa akin. That's it, guys. I do have here 20 snacks from Oishi, and that's quite a lot. Guys, abagan niyo yung video ko ng Shein haul. Tagal na nun, guys. Promise it will be up very, 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 very soon. So, yun lang. Thank you again for watching, and see you next time. Bye!